Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2005 Toyota HighLux SR dual cab ute, stock reference number 5545. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 1GR 4 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 1GR 4 litre V6 petrol engine. Left guard has a small fold, left power door mirror in chrome, a set of CSA 17-inch alloy mags with good tyres. Left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 17-inch CSA alloy mag with a good tyre. To a top canopy, less the back window. Tailgate has 4 small dents, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear CSA 17-inch alloy mag with a flat tyre. Right rear door has 6 small dents. Factory snorkel with all fittings. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch CSA alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket JVC CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor and the right sun visor.